At 20, you're handed a blank check of time, and most people waste it on autopilot. But what if I told you one decision today could define your next 10 years? This is exactly how to set goals that actually matter. The age of 20, a remarkable time in one's life. You're at the threshold of adulthood, and the world is full of possibilities. Creating targets or goals at this stage is crucial, as it sets the foundation for the rest of your life. Now let me share with you my perspective on how to create meaningful goals at 20. First, you must have a clear understanding of your passions. What drives you? What gets you out of bed in the morning? For me, it was the intersection of technology and art. I was fascinated by the potential of computers to change the world, and I wanted to be a part of that revolution. Once you've identified your passions, you need to ask yourself some tough questions. What problems do you want to solve? What impact do you want to make? What kind of person do you want to become? Be honest with yourself, and don't be afraid to dream big. Now, I want you to imagine you're 30 years old. What does your life look like? What have you achieved? What kind of person have you become? Write down your vision and make it as vivid as possible. This is your North Star, your guiding light. Next, break down your long-term vision into smaller, manageable goals. What do you need to accomplish in the next 6 to 12 months to move closer to your vision? Make these goals specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, if you want to start a business, your short-term goal might be to develop a business plan, secure funding, or build a prototype. Here's the key. Your goals should be aligned with your values and passions. Don't set goals that someone else thinks you should achieve. Set goals that are authentic to you, and that will give you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Finally, create a system to track your progress and hold yourself accountable. This could be a journal, a spreadsheet, or a mentor who can provide guidance and support. Remember, your goals will evolve over time, and that's okay. The important thing is to have a clear direction, a sense of purpose, and the courage to take action. As I always said, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. So my advice to you at 20 is to be bold, be fearless, and be true to yourself. Set goals that inspire you, and don't be afraid to take risks. The world needs people like you who are willing to challenge the status quo and create something new. Now go out there and make your mark. I'm glad I could share my thoughts with you. Remember, the most important thing is to stay true to yourself and your passions. Don't be afraid to take risks and challenge the status quo. And always keep in mind that your goals will evolve over time, so it's okay to adjust and change course as you learn and grow. Also, don't focus too much on the end result. Focus on the journey, the process, the learning, the growing. The end result will take care of itself. And as I always said, stay hungry, stay foolish. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now I want to ask you, what are your passions? What gets you excited? What do you want to achieve in the next 5 to 10 years?